Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a very smoky and hazy day in Calgary due to the forest fire in Jasper. So it's a good day to be indoors and eating, of course.
Chaotic.
Today we will be trying the all-new Firecracker McCrispy sandwich and the strawberry pie. Both of these items are a limited time only.
I'm not. She's it.
She's it. You mean she's a girl?
So the Firecracker McCrispy sandwich is a crispy chicken sandwich topped with chopped lettuce, a creamy sweet and spicy sauce, and crispy jalapenos. The bun is a soft potato bun. Strawberry pies. Strawberry pie. The inside is warm and the outside is very flaky and crispy.
It's like sweet. Okay, now I'll show you Happy Meal. They want small fries, but we already dumped it out in the fry pile. Has a toy, chocolate milk.
So the cheeseburger Happy Meal comes with a yogurt, a cheeseburger, small fries, a toy, and your choice of a drink. Thanks for watching and coming to McDonald's with us, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come.